Hello friends. Today we are going to draw a picture named River of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country characterized by an intricate network of rivers that play a crucial role in shaping its geography, culture, economy, and daily life. The rivers of Bangladesh are an integral part of the country's identity and are often referred to as its lifelines. One of the most significant rivers in Bangladesh is the Padma, known as the Ganges in India, which is part of the larger Ganges-Brahmaputra-Meghna (GBM) river system. River Delta. The rivers of Bangladesh form the largest delta in the world, known as the Sundarbans Delta. This delta is home to the famous Sundarbans mangrove forest, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a crucial ecosystem that supports diverse wildlife, including the endangered Bengal tiger. River erosion and deposition. Bangladesh's landscape is highly dynamic due to continuous river erosion and deposition. Erosion often leads to the loss of land and property, displacing communities. Conversely, deposition contributes to the formation of new land areas and islands in the delta. Floods. Bangladesh is prone to seasonal floods, especially during the monsoon season when heavy rains and upstream melting of snow and glaciers in the Himalayas contribute to high water levels. While these floods can be devastating, they also bring fertile silt to agricultural lands, contributing to the country's agricultural productivity. Agriculture and economy. The rivers and fertile land created by their sediment deposits make Bangladesh's agriculture sector highly productive. Rice is the staple food, and the country is a major global producer. The rivers also support fishing, another important economic activity. Transportation and communication. Rivers serve as natural waterways and play a critical role in transportation. Many areas in Bangladesh are connected through water routes, allowing for the movement of people, goods, and services. Culture and daily life. The rivers are deeply woven into Bangladesh's cultural fabric. They are often a central theme in literature, songs, and other forms of art. The traditional wooden boats, known as boats, are a common sight on the rivers and are used for transportation, fishing, and even as homes for some communities.